Welcome to Sindco, your go-to resource for expert advice on generating a daily income of $50 through social media platforms. Today, we are thrilled to provide valuable insights to help you achieve this financial milestone. Whether you're a seasoned online entrepreneur or just starting out, our strategies are tailored to support your path to financial success. Consistency is paramount. Allocate dedicated time each day to focus on your online pursuits. Whether it involves freelancing, completing surveys, or selling goods, maintaining a consistent effort will yield favorable outcomes. Diversify your income streams. Explore a range of online opportunities such as affiliate marketing, freelance writing, or developing digital products. Having multiple revenue sources can enhance your progress towards the $50 goal. Networking is essential in the digital realm. Engage with like-minded individuals, join online communities, and collaborate with others to broaden your reach and potential earnings. Harness the power of passive income. Consider launching a blog, YouTube channel, or online course that can generate revenue passively, even during periods of inactivity. Stay informed and adapt to market trends. Online opportunities are ever-evolving, so remaining flexible and receptive to new concepts is vital for sustained success. Join our community, subscribe to our channel, engage with and share our content. Your support is invaluable. Share your feedback and ideas in the comments section below. Together, we can strive towards our financial goals. Thank you for your readership, and we anticipate connecting with you on Sindco soon. Thank you.